Industrial Arts Institute, located in northern Michigan, is a top-tier skilled trades educational institution specializing in welding and fabrication. Our mission is to provide an excellent, fast-track training experience, connecting our students to fulfilling careers in the welding industry. As a non-profit organization licensed by the state of Michigan and recognized as a training facility for veterans, we uphold the highest standards of excellence in all our programs. Our experienced instructors bring a wealth of industry expertise and utilize an employer model to deliver hands-on training. Our institution offers various welding programs, including basic welding, ornamental welding, corporate welder testing and training, high school welding, youth welding camps and academies, and our most advanced course, the Comprehensive Industrial Welding and Fabrication Program. This rigorous 19-week program spans 760 clock hours, with 80% of the training in our state-of-the-art welding lab. Our curriculum focuses on providing students with advanced welding, fabrication, blueprint reading, and leadership skills, ensuring they are well prepared for a successful welding career. Our impressive facility spans 47,000 square feet and features numerous welding and fabrication equipment, offering our students an expansive lab experience. Aspiring welders can acquire various qualifications within our 26,000 square foot welding lab while refining their craft. Our lab has 36 fully equipped welding booths, with all the necessary tools and equipment to ensure our students gain experience in gas metal arc, gas tungsten arc, stick, and flux cord welding techniques. Our advanced welding automation and CNC equipment provide students access to the ever-changing advancing welding technology. Our curriculum incorporates individual and group fabrication projects. IAI students are taught not only to master the technical aspects of welding and fabrication, but also to plan and strategize for their projects. Through practice and experience, they execute plans with precision and creativity while maximizing their use of time, equipment, and materials. Following a plan and executing a project is a fundamental aspect of our training and an essential skill in welding and fabrication. It enables students to create remarkable structures and develop real-world skills that best prepare them for their careers. Previous classes have contributed to or created various public art projects, stunning pieces for renowned nonprofits, and practical structures used in parks and recreational spaces. Our campus offers many student amenities, including an eatery, where our students share their breaks and lunches, and a resource room equipped with published materials on engineering, manufacturing, and welding. Students utilize our computer lab to aid in project outlining, computer-aided drafting, drawing creations, resume building, and employment searches. While training at IAI in beautiful Northeast Michigan, students can explore the region's beauty while receiving unmatched welding training. Our students fully immerse themselves in the breathtaking landscapes and take full advantage of the many outdoor recreational activities such as biking, hiking, skiing, motorsports, golfing, hunting, fishing, and beach-going. The Industrial Arts Institute's programs attract students from across Michigan and the United States, who are eager to pursue a fulfilling career in welding. Our training program has earned high praise from employers and boasts an impressive job placement rate of over 90% for our graduates. This outstanding achievement reflects the excellent quality of education we offer at IAI and the robust industry partnerships we have forged, which enable us to connect talented welders and metal fabricators with top recruiters just days before they complete their program. With its abundant earning potential and countless opportunities for growth. Welding is an ideal career path that our students can confidently pursue after completing our 19-week comprehensive training program. Make a plan to visit and see firsthand why IAI in Northeast Michigan is the ideal choice for welding and fabrication training. We know that you will be impressed. For more information about the Industrial Arts Institute, please visit iaiworks.com or call 989-733-4369.